Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? The moon, in all its celestial glory, has captivated humanity for centuries. Astrologers believe that the moon's position at the time of your birth, your moon sign, can reveal profound insights into your emotional nature. Just as the moon influences the tides, so too does it influence our emotions, shaping our reactions, instincts, and sensitivities. In this video, we're going on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the moon sign and its profound impact on your emotional landscape. Astrology, the ancient art of studying celestial bodies and their influence on human affairs, offers a unique perspective on the self. While your sun sign reveals your core identity and life purpose, your moon sign delves deeper, revealing the hidden realm of your emotions. Understanding your moon sign allows you to navigate these emotional tides with greater awareness and self-compassion. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery as we explore the profound influence of the moon sign in astrology. Think of your moon sign as your emotional compass, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of yourself and your interactions with the world around you. By unraveling the mysteries of your moon sign, you gain access to a wealth of self-knowledge. Throughout this video, we'll provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to calculate your own moon sign and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Get ready to dive deep into the world of lunar astrology and unlock the secrets of your emotional world. In the vast expanse of our solar system, the moon holds a special place. Just as the moon influences the oceans, it also influences us, particularly our emotional world. At the moment of your birth, the moon occupied a specific sign in this zodiac wheel. This sign is your moon sign. It represents your inner world, your deepest needs, your instinctive reactions, and your emotional vulnerabilities. It's about understanding the nuances of your emotional landscape and embracing the complexities that make you uniquely you. Your moon sign is like a hidden treasure map, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of your emotional patterns. It reveals how you process experiences, how you seek comfort and security, and how you form emotional bonds. Are you quick to express your feelings, or do you tend to internalize them? These tendencies are often mirrored in the characteristics associated with your moon sign. For example, someone with a moon in fiery Aries might be passionate and quick to anger, while someone with a moon in watery Cancer might be deeply nurturing and sensitive. It's about understanding the language of your emotions and using that knowledge to navigate the world with greater clarity and compassion. Imagine your birth chart as a cosmic snapshot, capturing the alignment of the planets at the precise moment you took your first breath. The moon, in this celestial play, holds the starring role in the drama of your emotions. Your moon sign, determined by the moon's position in your birth chart, reveals the emotional landscape you were born into. It influences how you perceive love, security, and connection. Understanding your moon sign is like gaining access to a secret decoder ring, allowing you to decipher the language of your emotions. The beauty of astrology lies in its ability to reveal the hidden dimensions of ourselves and others. Your moon sign is an integral thread in this tapestry, adding depth, complexity, and emotional richness to your astrological portrait. It's about understanding that your sensitivities, your vulnerabilities, and your capacity for deep feeling are strengths that make you uniquely you. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your emotional world and discover the profound influence the moon has on your life. Ready to embark on a journey to uncover your hidden emotional self? It's time to unveil your lunar identity, your moon sign. Calculating your moon sign is like opening a cosmic treasure chest, revealing hidden gems of self-knowledge. Finding your moon sign requires more than just knowing your birth date. It's about pinpointing the exact position of the moon in the zodiac at the precise moment you took your first breath. Think of it like this: your birth date is like your home address, while your birth time is like your apartment number. We're about to embark on a quest for celestial knowledge, and it all starts with understanding the data points that make up your unique astrological blueprint. To embark on this celestial quest, you'll need three essential pieces of information: your birth date, your birth time, and your birthplace. The moon moves swiftly through the zodiac, changing signs approximately every 2 to 2.5 days. So, dig deep into those baby books or consult with family members to unearth this crucial detail. This piece of information helps us determine the specific time zone and geographical location that influence the celestial alignment at your birth. Armed with these three cosmic clues, we can now turn to the tools that will help us decipher your lunar identity. Today, numerous websites and apps specialize in generating birth charts, also known as natal charts, with just a few clicks. Simply input your birth date, time, and location into one of these trusted online resources, and voila! Your personalized birth chart will appear. Look for a symbol that resembles a crescent moon. This symbol marks the spot where the moon was positioned in the zodiac at the time of your birth. The zodiac sign associated with this symbol is your moon sign. So, take your time, explore the different elements of your chart, and embrace the journey of astrological exploration. As you delve into the world of astrology, you might encounter the term cusp or on the cusp. This refers to individuals born when the moon was transitioning between two zodiac signs. To gain a more nuanced understanding of your lunar influences, it's best to consult with a professional astrologer. The more precise your information and the deeper your understanding of its nuances, the more accurate and insightful your astrological interpretations will be. Congratulations, my friend, you've successfully navigated the celestial map and uncovered your lunar identity. Embrace your moon sign with all its strengths and challenges as an integral part of your unique cosmic blueprint. Just as an artist uses a palette of colors to create a masterpiece, the moon uses a palette of emotions to paint the tapestry of our inner world. Each moon sign, like a distinct hue, contributes its own unique flavor to our emotional makeup. For example, individuals with a moon in fiery Aries tend to experience emotions with intensity and passion. On the other hand, those with a moon in earthy Taurus approach emotions with groundedness and stability. As we journey deeper into the realm of lunar astrology, we'll explore the nuances of each moon sign, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the moon's emotional palette. Decoding your emotional blueprint. Imagine your moon sign as a cosmic decoder ring, unlocking your emotional blueprint. It reveals how you seek comfort, express feelings, and form emotional bonds. Understanding your moon sign guides you towards self-awareness and healthier relationships. For instance, a moon in Cancer finds solace in a cozy home environment. They seek emotional security in close-knit relationships. A moon in Sagittarius prioritizes freedom and adventure. They seek emotional fulfillment through exploration. Your moon sign offers insights into your emotional patterns. Understanding your emotional blueprint helps navigate life's ups and downs with awareness and resilience. Section 3. Navigating relationships through the lunar lens. Our moon sign influences our emotional landscape and how we relate to others. It reveals our emotional needs, communication style, and capacity for intimacy. Understanding our moon sign and those of loved ones fosters deeper connections. For instance, a Leo moon needs warmth, while a Capricorn moon values space. Open communication bridges these differences. A Sagittarius moon seeks adventure, while a Cancer moon craves comfort. A weekend getaway blending exploration and cozy evenings can be ideal. Relationships thrive with curiosity and understanding. Viewing interactions through the lunar lens cultivates fulfilling connections. Section 4. Embracing your emotional strengths. While each moon sign comes with its own set of challenges, it's important to remember that our moon sign also gifts us with unique emotional strengths. By embracing these strengths, we can navigate the world with greater confidence, resilience, and emotional well-being. For instance, individuals with a moon in courageous Aries possess an innate ability to bounce back from setbacks. Their fiery nature fuels their determination and empowers them to take risks and pursue their passions with fervor. Those with a moon in practical Virgo have a gift for analyzing situations and finding solutions. Their grounded nature helps them to stay calm under pressure and approach challenges with a level head. If your moon sign is in the sign of diplomatic Libra, your ability to see multiple perspectives and foster harmony makes you a skilled mediator and peacemaker. Those with a moon in intuitive Pisces possess a deep well of empathy and compassion, allowing them to connect with others on a soul level and offer unwavering support. Remember, your emotional strengths are valuable assets that can guide you through life's journey. By acknowledging and embracing these strengths, you can navigate the ups and downs of life with grace, resilience, and a deep sense of inner peace. As we conclude our exploration of the moon sign and its profound impact on our emotional world, let's take a moment to appreciate the moon's enduring presence in our lives. Just as the moon illuminates the darkness of night, our moon sign illuminates the hidden landscapes of our hearts. It's a reminder that our emotions, in all their complexity and intensity, are an integral part of who we are. They are not something to be feared or suppressed, but rather embraced and understood. By delving into the wisdom of our moon sign, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, unlocking the secrets of our emotional patterns, our relational tendencies, and our innate strengths. This newfound awareness empowers us to navigate the world with greater authenticity, compassion, and emotional intelligence. So, let us continue to explore the mysteries of the moon, allowing its gentle guidance to illuminate our path towards greater self-understanding, deeper connections, and a more fulfilling life. As we've journeyed through the cosmos of astrology, we've uncovered the profound influence of the moon sign. It's not just an abstract concept or a symbol on a chart, it's a mirror reflecting the deepest recesses of our emotional world. It's the silent language of our feelings, the ebb and flow of our inner tides. Understanding your moon sign isn't about changing who you are, but about embracing the totality of your being. It's about acknowledging your emotional strengths and vulnerabilities, recognizing the patterns that shape your reactions, and navigating relationships with greater empathy and understanding. Just as the moon cycles through its phases, so too do our emotions ebb and flow. There will be times of brightness and times of shadow, times of intensity and times of tranquility. Embracing your lunar self means accepting this natural rhythm, honoring the full spectrum of your emotional experience. Remember, you are not defined by your moon sign but empowered by it. It's a tool for self-discovery, a guide on your journey toward emotional intelligence and authentic living. As we conclude our exploration of the moon sign, let the journey inspire you to continue delving into the vast and fascinating world of astrology. There's so much more to discover, from the fiery energy of your sun sign to the communicative style of your Mercury sign. Remember, astrology is a lifelong journey of self-discovery. The more you learn, the more you'll uncover the intricate tapestry of your being and the cosmic influences that have shaped your life. Don't be afraid to dive deeper, ask questions, and explore the many facets of this ancient art. There are countless resources available, from books and websites to workshops and consultations with experienced astrologers. Thank you for joining us on this lunar adventure. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the power of the moon sign and its profound impact on your emotional world. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into the significance of the sun sign in your astrological chart. We've illuminated the hidden depths of the moon's influence, revealing its power over our emotional landscape. But the cosmos holds even more secrets waiting to be unlocked. Our exploration of astrology has just begun. Prepare yourself as we shift our focus to the heart of our astrological chart, the mighty sun. Just as the sun reigns supreme in our solar system, so too does our sun sign hold immense sway over our core identity and life's purpose. Join us in our next video as we decode the mysteries of the sun sign. We'll delve into its characteristics, its influence on our personality, and how understanding this powerful force can illuminate our path toward a more fulfilling life. Don't miss this chance to unlock even deeper levels of self-discovery.